Guys, look at this. Here we have so many dirty muddy toys. As you can see, very different type of toys. Wow, look at all these one by one. Wow. Here we have car. Here we have ATV motorbike. Here we have plane and a crane and a motorbike and a handcuff, two guns, so many different type of toys, very dirty toys, all are very dirty in mud. We have to clean all this. So guys, we will clean all this, then we will see what we have. So guys, let's start cleaning. I have a tub over here. We will collect all these into this tub. Let's start with this one. Wow, amazing. A bike. Whoa, a road roller. So many different type of toys, very beautiful toys. I will clean all this, then I will show you what are all these. Wow, look at this, a big size ATV motorbike. And here we have two guns, a plane, and the last one. What is this? Let's check out. So guys, I have collected all the toys. Let's take it to the basket and clean with water. So guys, here we have our dirty toys and a basket full of water. Let's start cleaning. So guys, let's start with this. Wow, let's check out what is this. Wow, this is a binocular, a red and sky blue color binocular. Let's put it over here. Let's clean this. Wow, a gun. Look at this. Guys, this is a black color gun. Wow, a big size gun. Amazing. And a crane, I think. Let's clean this and check out. Wow, a colorful crane with green and orange color. Look at this. Wow, a colorful crane, JCB Crane. Wow. Let's clean this one. I think this is a gun. Wow, a colorful gun, green and sky blue color. So amazing. And this is a car, I think. Wow, a colorful car, sky blue and white color. Beautiful, so amazing. And this one is also a car, I think. Wow, a red color car, a Jeep look car. Look at this. Wow, amazing. And here we have one more car, I guess. Yes, this is also a car. Wow, a green color different look car, a four-wheeler vehicle. Amazing. And let's clean this ATV bike. Let's check out this and clean. Wow, a big size ATV tire bike. Look at the tires, look at the color. Wow, amazing colors, amazing design and beautiful look. Let's clean some more. This is a bike, I guess. Yes guys, this is a red color bike. Wow, amazing color bike. A yellow color car. Wow. A blue color three-wheeler bike with 3 tires. Wow, a road roller, a yellow color road roller with black tires. Here we have cleaned some toys and we have left this. Let's clean. Wow. Guys, this is a handcuff as you can see, and this is a plane. Wow, amazing plane. Guys, this is a green color truck, a small size 4-wheeler green color truck. Wow. And the last one we have, let's check out what is this. Let's clean it properly. So guys, this is also a car, a small size orange color car. So guys, as you can see, I have cleaned all my toys. This is a crane, this is a ATV bike, this is a green color car, a black color gun, a multicolor gun, and a car, a handcuff, a plane, a truck, and here we have so many dirty toys. I have cleaned all these. Let's check out. If you like the video, then like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.